Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to create and use text clippings for productivity on Mac. Text clippings are a handy yet often overlooked feature in macOS that allow you to quickly save and reuse selected text. By simply dragging text from an application to your desktop or Finder, you can create a standalone file that's easy to access and use later. That's it, let's get started. So to make a text clipping on your Mac, just highlight any text and then you have to click and drag it to your desktop or a Finder window. Now the text will be saved as a .text clipping file with a file name based on the first few words of the selection. You can rename it to make it more recognizable. And to insert a text clipping into a document, all you have to do is just drag it into an open file and the text will be pasted at the cursor's position. This works across various apps including Pages, Mail, web browsers, Xcode and more. And to preview a clipping, all you have to do is just select the file and press the spacebar for a quick look. You can also double-click it to view the text in a separate window, where you can highlight and copy specific parts as needed. It's worth pointing out that text clippings can streamline repetitive tasks such as reusing email templates or code snippets. So, if you use them frequently, consider creating a dedicated folder to keep them perfectly organized and avoid desktop clutter. Keep in mind that .text clipping files use a unique format that may not be compatible with all platforms. So if you need to save them, converting the content to a standard text format ensures accessibility across devices. By integrating text clippings into your workflow, you can save time and improve efficiency with just a simple drag and drop action. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily create and use text clippings for productivity on your Mac to your heart's liking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.